Hello little scientists, welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. We all have noticed that when we have hot tea, coffee or milk in a steel glass, it gets hot very easily and it is difficult to hold it in our hands. But when we have a ceramic cup, it gets comparatively easier to hold it. In this video, let's learn the reason behind it. From the IntelliSmart box, take out the heat and conduction activity kit. From the kit, take out the wooden spoon, the plastic spoon and the plastic beads. You will need a steel spoon, some butter, a ceramic mug and some hot boiling water from your home. Since we are performing this activity using hot objects, always keep some cold water handy to avoid any burns. Also, perform it under adult supervision. Take the ceramic mug and place it on a table or any flat surface. Take a cube of butter from your refrigerator. Make sure it is neither too hard nor too soft. Now, scoop out a little amount of butter with each of the spoons one by one. Steel spoon, plastic spoon and the wooden spoon, like this. Make sure that all three spoons have equal amount of butter in them. Let's place a bead on the butter in each of the spoons, like this. And now place all the spoons in the ceramic mug. Now pour boiling water into the mug. Remember to switch off the fan or AC while performing this activity. Also, be very careful while pouring the boiling water. You can take your parents' help for doing this. Wait for 4-5 minutes and observe what happens to the butter and beads in each spoon. When we poured the boiling water into the ceramic mug, heat transfer started from the water to the colder parts around it. As steel is a very good conductor of heat, the fastest heat transfer took place in the steel spoon and hence the butter placed over it melted first. This can be easily observed when the bead placed over it falls. Heat travels from the hot object to the cold object when they are placed in contact with each other. Materials like steel that allow heat to travel through them easily are called good conductors of heat. Materials like wood or plastics which do not allow heat to travel through them are called insulators of heat. Heat transfer in metals is faster as compared to wood or plastics. Visualize science with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.